Hello, this is video recording made for course security and application system and application security. I don't know about system security, but there was something about application, and I was doing crack the EXE tutorials. I would like to make second tutorial on my screen to have more visuals how it's done. This is not hard at all. This is hack EXE which I compiled for this purpose. If we start it, it appears and asks some serial. If you put here oh no tai jotain sellaista, something like this, it will indicate that this please obtain proper serial. Okay, let's fire up. Bing. Yeah, update. Nothing to be concerned about. Anyway, we will use either interactive disassembler moment. It can be found quite easily. Either disassembler. Hex race, yes, this one. There is some free version to download, free for non-commercials, like this. You can download it here, either free 50XM. I'm not going to do this because I already got it on my computer. It works with fine quite well. Well, let's fire it up with the Pro. Okay. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. We will make new file. This is either workflow. Here is nothing at the moment. Let's add this EXE to item. Drag and drop it probably. It's asking something, sorry. We would like to disassemble PE executable. Yep. And this should be hack video. This is EXE. Okay, open. We would like to. We don't need analysis options here. Yes. Start analysis now. It actually interactively now loads file and try to put it into machine code like here. Here is auto analysis state. We should wait some moment until it got a chance to analyze call EXE. But meanwhile, we can observe a little bit about this EXE to crack. If we see it either created few additional files, it stores database in there. Nothing to be concerned about here, neither. Okay. Here is this serial, and if we put something wrong, like A or B, we should notice that it makes some reaction. Please obtain proper serial because it shows if serial is not okay. We should take note of this text. There is it's still analyzing. Let it analyze for it. You may start to explore the input file right now. Yes, it is possibility, but since it's not very big exe file, we can probably wait. This red one is fulfilling this code section here. It shows what exactly it's analyzing now. It's not long time to wait. Here you are in camera. Stupido. 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 It's almost done. Where is it now? There is some text changing. It changed because it it should make few passes. Well, it's almost intellectual action from IDA. Here is an idea that you can change how does it percept code. It can be code, it can be data. At this moment, it seems that this particular part of code is a code. We don't need it, but exe, execution of exe starts from exactly this point. It moves 0 to this byte. We can make a name for it, like rename some byte, and it will mark it some byte everywhere else. Then it again put something to EXE, something to EDX, something to EAX, and then it calls some subroutine. We don't care about this at all. We are waiting for code to be analyzed. Now it's showing AC and changing number. Faster, stupid machine. I don't have all morning for this. Well, actually I do, but a computer doesn't have to know it. Koira, mitä sinä haluat? Mitä sinä tässä haluat? Kaikki. Sinä. Could you help me to disassemble file? Could you? You're stupid. This little arrow here is moving. I will put jump label on YouTube video because this is too boring to watch how it analyzes exe and tries to put it in the readable form. Especially since it is also stupid, it doesn't really understand what it's and if something to be analyzed, there is big chance you have to reanalyze this code yourself, but in this case it should work quite painlessly. Actually quite slow with it. There is different views of item. Here is hex, same place in code. There is exportable functions which it exports for other programs to use. Here is imports, something which it imports from kernel, or user or spaces. These are big DLL files in Windows system directory, if I recall correctly. Some of those could be very, very useful, and I might show it later, but might not. It's a little bit hard to come out with a good example how does this work, and I'm actually too lazy to look for a good example in the wild. So this might be never done actually. How long it is going to? This little marker jumps here like a crazy. I honestly hope that sound level is okay, because I actually have no idea. And I might probably not doing this video second time exactly, because this is very, very slow. Or alternatively I can disassemble it and use already made base. But this is not as, how should I put it, educational. Well, waiting for analysis is not educational neither, but it should happen soon. It will say that we are done. We are done with this. Then we can start to work with this EXE. Well, we actually could start to work right now, but let's load it first. Here is probably, yeah, it's done. It actually shows a program even like such blocks. We don't need such blocks. We need strings. Here is strings, here. And this is what it perceived from whole EXE, and we would like to watch for this error message, please obtain proper serial. Where does it reference? Please, we don't need to put anything else. It actually, there is no other please in strings. Wow, there is some different. Okay, let's look for the next one. This one is wrong. Yeah. Here is actually a message of succeeding, and here is message of failing entering proper serial. We can rename. Okay, let's look because we are now in the string view. Let's view in the IDA view where actually it uses this text. Here it is. This is some kind of string in data section of EXE, and here is xref. This is actually code reference where it uses it. Let's look what is there. Ooh. What do we see here? Can I make this? Yeah. No. Well, we do have some kind of text, some kind of code, blah blah blah. It does something, it does something, it does something. Then it asks something from somewhere else, from this sub 409490. Then it checks if EIX is 0, and depending on that, it goes here or here. Interesting. This actually, if it's not 0, it is going to execute this code. If it is 0, it's going to execute this code. It's interesting. Let us try to run it and see what will come out of it. Here is such interesting technique by the name of a breakpoint. We can put here such marker which will force this process stop exactly at the moment when processor is executing this set of instruction. Let's put breakpoint there. Breakpoints at the breakpoint. Now, when a program executing comes to this place, program will halt and show us idle. We can remove this one. We don't need it anymore. But now we can start this from debugger. It's not anymore in the wild open. It's under debugger, and it will stop when it comes to the red breakpoint line. What? We're going to launch debugger. Yes, it quite suits me well. Breakpoint exception. I don't really care. Continue process. I know that I did this somehow. No. And no. We don't need actually to handle this exception. And alright, let us terminate the process and start it once again, but this time we can transfer mode. Here we actually have to press yes. This I will want to see more. Debugger, continue process. We don't want to stop program. No. Yes. And this is not exactly what I had in mind. Where is the debugger? Moment. What? There is the debugger options. Something. Aha, it's disabled. Let's run it again. I'm not actually sure how to put it back on. Let's put it once more. Yeah. This one. Yes. We run the same place and we put the debugger to start. Actually, yes. No. And what? Aha, here it is. Excellent. Here I would like Our process is actually running. Let us put here some wrong serial. It is already under the debugger, and when it will come to this red place, it will stop. Should please. Yeah, it stop working. But what is here? Yeah, we are stopped exactly. We are where we wanted this place. All right. Let's continue execution. Why is it on the whole screen? Yeah. I need another section. I do need general registers. At this moment I am calling sub procedure. We can step over it, so it doesn't go inside, but goes to next test EXE. All right. Step over. It is on the test EXE, and here is something in EXE. It is actually not 0, it means something. We should probably. The test is for 0, so we will feed it 0. Why not? 0. It is 0 in EX now, and we can continue with the process. It doesn't do something. No, it does that thing. Okay, step over once more, and 0 here once more. What will it do? Why does it do this so many times? Step over, 0, 0. Doesn't do anything. But let us continue. Step over, and continue process. And here is the fruit of our endeavor. We put it wrong serial here, but it actually says, "Ooh, good work. Token is German." This was like a password which I wanted to put for anyone who would solve this challenge, but no one did. So this actually doesn't have any meaning. But we actually enforced this EXE to react on the wrong serial with positive reinforcement kind of thing. Well, I'm very grateful for attention, and we will probably see some other video. Bye bye. No, it's not bye bye. Now it's bye bye.